Fresh seeds here. Get your fresh berries.
Are you truly ready, little one?
This journey is unlike any other.
I am ready. Iggy, please be careful out there. The world is a vast place. These symbols warn of perilous skies.
But what if the warnings are just old stories, Mother?
And this is where the air current will lift us.
Oh, I see. And then, just imagine the possibilities.
I know it sounds impossible, but I believe in it.
You see, the wings, they create lift, pushing against the air with incredible force.
Finally, someone who understands.
Come on, Iggy. We're almost there.
Are you sure about this, Pip?
Wow, Iggy, this place is incredible in it.
I've never seen anything like it down.
Welcome, young ones. What brings you to my study? Notice the subtle shifts in their wing movements.
Bursters and Prupek. The artist truly captured the grace and power of flight. Note the angle of the wings,
And so the once vibrant skies fell silent.
The lift comes from the shape of the wing, allowing it to glide on air currents.
I see. Fascinating.
Who goes there? This is our territory now.
But we were here first. Zara, please reconsider. We need you here with us.
For a brave heart, you must have strong wings and trust in the wind. Just a bit more to the left, Iggy.
You're doing great. Keep it up.
it, Iggy. Just flap your wings. You can do this, Pip. Iggy, are you okay?
And so, from this broken glider, I learned the importance of aerodynamic balance. Wow.
True courage, young ones, is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it.
Young Iggy, the charges against you are severe. How do you answer the council? Your actions have brought shame upon us all. Council has spoken. Council spoken. My decision is final.
I believe in flight. Have you ever seen anything like it?
The carvings tell a story.
I found a shiny one. I've been practicing in secret.
Observe how the wind flows, creating these diverse patterns.
Look at him go!
I did it! He did it!
Oh, my dear...
This is amazing!
We're really doing it!
Yes, we are flying!
This is the storm, the one that made birds forget how to fly! This storm, the one that took flight away, is now our chance to bring it back!
Come on, team! We can do this!
You can do this! Trust the wind!
Head this way. Updraft's here. Follow me, little ones. We'll find a safe spot. You can do it. Just keep flapping.